You're watching Republic World, and this is Prakash Singh from the encounter sites on the outskirts of Patna, where a gangster was apparently killed by the Patna police. Remember, this is regarding the brutal murder of Gopal Khemka, a Patna-based businessman who was murdered a couple of days back. Yesterday, one Umesh Rai was arrested, and he's apparently supposed to be the shooter. And on the tip-off given by Umesh Rai, Vikas alias Raja, who supplied arms and ammunition to Umesh, apparently was in the hideout in this brick lane area in the riverine area of Patna. This is the brick lane on the outskirts of Patna in the riverine area on the border adjacent to Ganga River. And here the police was informed that Vikas alias Raja was in the hideout, and he was trying to escape from the police. And thereafter, he also shot at the police, and the police had no option but to fire and retaliate. And there are markings of the gun battle between the police as well as the accused. A, B, C, D, E. 5 rounds of firing were done. He was in refuge over here in this particular place, and he's supposed to be one of the kingpin who's been shot dead by the police. He was in a safe hideout in this particular place. That's what the police has stated in its press release. Later in the day at 5 p.m. DGP Vinay Kumar would be holding a press conference. Now, the entire episode started after the murder of noted businessman Gopal Khemka. Questions were being raised against Nitish Kumar for the deteriorating law and order situation in Bihar. The police took up the entire investigation in a professional way, raided Patna Central jail as well, and they got several leads pertaining to this. And thereafter, they questioned several jail inmates, noted gangsters in the jail, and on their tip-off, first Umesh was arrested, thereafter one Ashok Shah was arrested, and on their tip-off yesterday, in this encounter, the arms supplier, Vikas alias Raja, was shot dead in a gun battle between the police. In 5 rounds of firing took place, and police is not saying anything at the moment, but we are told that at 5 p.m. DGP Bihar Vinay Kumar would be holding a press conference, and thereafter the entire investigation details would be uncovered as to what were the reasons and why Gopal Khemka's murder was masterminded by all these people who have been killed. But I can see that there is a pattern behind this killing. First, Gopal Khemka's son, Gunjan Khemka, was murdered in Hajipur in December 2018. Thereafter, Gopal Khemka now murdered a couple of days back. And in between these 6 years, Gopal Khemka's older brother was also attacked. He somehow escaped the bullets, and his younger son was also attacked. He also escaped. So we see a pattern, that pattern of revenge. And what was this pattern? The police will uncover everything under the leadership of Bihar DGP Vinay Kumar, and also would be present ADG headquarter Kundan Krishnan as well as SSP of Patna and other senior officials. In Patna, with video journalist Anupam, Prakash Singh for Republic World.